Hey guys, this is CJ Estrada. Camera is zoomed in again. Hey guys, this is CJ Estrada. Welcome to my channel. Today is Saturday. Today is Friday here in Grand Rapids, Michigan, and I'm heading out for a little adventure. So let's go in 3, 2, 1. Hello guys, this is CJ Estrada and I am now here at Reed's Lake in Grand Rapids, Michigan. And it is so silent here. And I'm just here to walk around the lake. And I swear I saw a squirrel earlier. So I'm probably gonna look at it or find it. And hopefully I can see it and I can video it. So it's gonna be my first time seeing one. So it's very cute, like chipmunk. I'll just bring you around Reed's Lake in 3, 2, 1. It's like I'm the only one here, but there are a few people actually hiking around Reed's Lake, and it looks like I am the only one who's looking at these boardwalks and then the attractions here in Reed's Lake. So I'm heading towards. Okay guys, I am here now at the part where this is actually, I don't know how to say it, but I think it's a Hidden Pill Trails. This is the woods actually. So I'm here at the unpaved path of the Reed's Lake. So just gonna explore here and hopefully I can see some creatures good, or some squirrels or some other animals that's not in the Philippines. So let's go guys. I am alone in this trail and see a lot of dead leaves in the ground, and then I am already, oh, someone's here. I thought I'm the only one here. He's at my back. So gonna be probably strolling around. Hopefully I don't get lost. I already looked to the map and it's just circular, so it will be fine. I will be fine. All right. The scenario here is like I am in movies, kana mga magdagandagan, like running around. Whew. I am fucking running around like crazy. I am just making myself tired. I'm just following the trails here. Hopefully I don't get lost. Okay, if masaagay ko, at least nagyapon ko sa Grand Rapids ug wala sa Hogwarts. Bitaw no? It's like I am here in a dark forest and I like it. I actually miss the forest. If you're a subscriber to my channel, obviously see a lot of trekking vlogs. Ako magikapoy sa akong gibuhat kaniya. So unfortunately there's no other view, like there's no overlooking view here. It's just the tall trees, and then it's just the dried leaves below, and I don't see any overlooking view here, but ay lapok. Maglapok-lapok lang ko dire. And then what am I supposed to say? I don't know. I'm just here alone. Walking around, and then I really would like to pee, but I don't see any restrooms here. So, and I don't know if I could just pee at the side, but hopefully I could find somewhere else to do my thing.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, it's been 15 minutes since I started hiking here, and I still haven't found the exit. And oh my god, I'm lost. Hopefully not. Everything looks the same, and I still hear the cars around, but hopefully I could find my way going back to the road. Okay, I now see the road less traveled on. Oh wow, oh wow. Take the road less traveled on, and I see now the road, so I'm gonna head back to the paved way and continue my hike. And ta-da! It's where I started earlier, and this is where I will end and go proceed to the next park. It's so small, I wonder if you saw it, but yeah, just want to find another one. Can I have corned beef Reuben, please?
Corned beef Reuben? Do you want it on rye bread?
What?
Do you want it on rye bread?
Sorry, I don't understand.
It's like a bread. It's like it comes on the rye bread. If you don't want it, you don't have to.
Okay, I just don't want it.
What kind of bread do you want?
Can I have flat bread? If it's okay.
Do you want white flat bread or wheat?
What? Sorry.
We have white flat bread and we have wheat.
Oh, just wheat.
Okay.
Really sorry.
It's okay.
Do you have the meal? It comes with the cookie and then the drink.
You said what?
Does it come with a meal?
Oh yeah, you can get it.
Yeah. Okay, sure. Thanks.
Did you want Swiss cheese as well?
Yep.
Did you want the sauerkraut too?
Well, which it's up to you.
I mean,
Which
it's
is
you.
good.
It's what you want. I mean, like it comes with sauerkraut, Swiss cheese, and Thousand Island dressing.
Oh, okay.
So, I mean, whatever you want. I just gotta make sure it's what you want.
It's okay.
Any dressing?
You mean this one?
You want the Thousand
Yeah.
Island dressing?
Yep.
Okay. Is that enough? Would you like more?
Oh, can you add more?
A little bit more?
Yeah.
Okay. You like that?
That's it.
Alright. Sorry, it's just your voice is quiet and the toaster is really loud.
Oh, okay.
But it stopped now, so not very good.
So I'll just stop recording and start eating. And I'm just gonna update you later, guys.
8:01.
Hey guys, Saturday night, and I've had enough hiking earlier this afternoon, and I'm just here in my room Saturday night, and I'm watching Ghost Adventures. So I'm just gonna freak out myself, and then I'm just gonna end my vlog here because I'm just gonna watch Ghost Adventure until I feel sleepy. But just don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and see you in my next vlog. Share peace and love. Yeah.